You have probably seen TikToks like this before and how they manage to get millions of views. And wondered, how do you create them? Well, it's your lucky day. I myself have built pages with this formula, where I have gained 40,000 followers in only 30 days. There are 3 things we need to do to be able to recreate a viral worthy video. And the first thing is finding good and high quality footage. And the second thing is finding good audio. And the most important part, the editing. We will edit all of these different steps together and add some secret effects that I will show you in this video. So make sure to like and subscribe because I'm going to be guiding you guys through this. So let's go. Okay, so first just find an audio that you really like. Make sure that it has gotten good engagement so you know that it will perform. As you guys see, I think that I'm going to be using this one. And this is really just, attention grabbing and will work great for a short video. Then to download this, I just copy the link and put it into this MP3 downloader. The link will be in the description for this too. Now I go to YouTube and screen record some gym footage. You can use whatever footage that fits your theme page the best. I always try to use an influencer or a bodybuilder that have lots of followers and are relevant to this day. This will definitely help with the views. And also make sure to screen record in high quality. Now we can open up Premiere Pro. And the first thing that I want to do is just change the sequence settings. After you have done that, you can also start by adding the auto reframe effect so we have our subject in focus. Then to make the footage black and white, I drag the color HLS effect on our footage. So put the saturation to -100, and what I want to do now is add the lumetri color to our footage. This will create, a lot of more depth in our image, so just follow my settings and put the contrast on 20, the shadows to -10, and then also add a bit of sharpening, and this is the main trick. You want to create 2 pinpoints over here and create sort of like an S shape. I really like to do this to just make it more dramatic and just make it look overall more cinematic. And I just really think this complements, the white and black look on our footage. So once you're done with this, we're actually going to be adding a grain overlay. So use whatever grain overlay you have, but I'm going to be using the one from my editing pack. You just want to put it on the blend mode called screen and make sure that it fits perfectly over your footage. So once it's on screen, you should be ready to go, and this really just makes the video look a lot more dramatic and it just stands out better when you're scrolling and finding it. Then I'm going to be adding a font that I found from one of the most viral TikToks in the motivation gym niche. So if you want to find any font, just use this tool. Then I am creating the auto transcription. This is an AI tool in actually Premiere Pro, and then I'm just adjusting the maximum length in characters and just making sure that it's going to be short and sweet. You can just copy my settings. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Essential Graphics and just make sure that it's all capped and that it is in the right size for our frame. Then I'm adding a black stroke and also a bit of shadow. I'm adding 10 for that and 10 for that, and also 45 here. This looks great actually. So the next step that we're going to do is that we're going to be making sure that all of the words are perfectly aligned with the audio. We don't have any dots, we don't have any commas, and also that the swear words are sort of bleeped out with some, other characters, which I just really like to do, so it's more family friendly, you know what I'm saying? And just like that, you have a pretty nice video. But one last thing that I want to do is that I want to upgrade the captions to graphics, and then I'm going to be adding a simple subtitle animation. This is from the Rick 7 Creative, which is a free asset pack, which you can just join my Discord link and I will provide to you. And once you have done that, I want to create some emphasis on the words that are important. So I'm just putting a red color on, the main words of his message, just to really make this video pop out and stand out even more. This is a process that is fairly easy to do in Premiere Pro. I just manually color them. Can be a bit problem when it's a long video, but this is okay. As you guys can see, this looks really nice, but we want to make sure that it comes in nice. So I'm adding a dip to black to both of our footages. So for the base layer and also our grain layer.
My fucking mindset is I will not lose. I will not fucking lose, man. That's how you gotta move in this world today. You will not lose, regardless of the circumstances. I will not lose.